What's up guys, it's Maddie. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to step up your Instagram game and take and edit better Instagram pictures so you can kind of get like a feed or like I guess a theme going. I just want to throw this out there in like the first 10 seconds of this video, but I am not selling any presets. I feel like whenever I've seen these videos, YouTubers are always just trying to like plug their own presets, which is totally fine, you know, get that coin, get that bread. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not trying to buy a $25 pack of presets so I can get like a cute Instagram feed. Although my editing like technique uses a preset, it is completely free and I will tell you guys about that later in the video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and yeah, so let's just get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is how to take pictures and how I take pictures, how to take better pictures, my tips for taking better pictures, all that good stuff. So what I use to take my pictures is just my iPhone. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, but if I feel a little fancy, then I will use my Canon Rebel T6i DSLR camera. I'm filming on it right now. I love it so much. It's a really good camera for beginners. A lot of YouTubers use it to film videos on, but it's actually really good for photography as well. As for the lens, I just use the kit lens that it came with. It's the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. The one that came with the camera works just fine for me. But most of the time I just use my phone. I like the really like candid look and kind of, oh, I just took this picture when I was out kind of look, if that makes sense, which is kind of what candid means, but you know what I mean. Using your iPhone or any phone is just as fine as using a giant camera. It's more accessible and it's probably a little less embarrassing if you're using your phone to take pictures in public rather than a giant camera. If you're having trouble trying to figure out how to pose in front of the camera, which can be super awkward at first, then definitely look up some inspiration on either Pinterest or Instagram. Find some pictures from your favorite influencers that you really like and think it's cute or whatever, and then just kind of recreate that in your own way. It can be really hard to figure out what kind of poses you like to do and what poses work for you, especially if you're doing like pictures in public and stuff like that. So I actually wanted to take you guys along with me on a little photo shoot that I'm doing. That way you guys can kind of see the process it takes to kind of get a good location, get a good angle, lighting, all that stuff. So I'm gonna roll the footage right now. So we are at a little restaurant right now and there's this really cute like couch and brick wall behind me. So this is one of the cute little places that we're going to take pictures. One of my biggest tips for you guys when you're taking pictures, especially like out in the sunlight and stuff, is to find a little shady location. So shade is the best lighting for pictures, so then you don't get a lot of harsh shadows with the sunlight and stuff like that, and it just makes it look a lot more natural and it makes the preset look a lot better as well. So that's just a little tip for you guys. It's super sunny and very overexposed now, but we found a really cute green wall to take some pictures in front of. This is just the little location I just wanted to show you, but isn't the wall so cute? But now you guys see what I mean about the sunlight creating really harsh lighting. It looks so bad, but we are going to take some super cute pictures here too. I love having like the one solid background, so like in this case it would be leaves, but I think brick walls are super cute too. So that's just another idea for like location wise for you guys. So now I'm going to share with you guys how I edit my pictures. I used to use Cam, which is kind of like the thing that everyone used, but then I realized that there was something better. Don't at me, but the mobile version of Lightroom is a million times better than Cam. So I use both Lightroom to edit my photos and also Facetune. I only use Facetune if I am whitening parts of the picture or sharpening different parts of it. I think it's called the details tool. I only use it to fix little parts of the picture that other apps just don't really have the tools for. And that's pretty much all I use Facetune for. I don't like alter my body or alter what my face looks like or anything like that. Okay, so on to the preset that I use. The preset that I use is from a blog. I believe it's pronounced Helene in between. It's really cute because it rhymes. And this amazing blogger has given us free presets. I've searched far and wide. I've searched over multiple pages on Google, multiple searches, and all I wanted was a good free preset. And you guys, I have found it. For some reason, to me, it sounds really sponsored that I'm saying all this stuff, but I swear it's not. I just really wanted to share this amazing free preset with you guys. So I'm gonna leave that link in the down bar below, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can download those. All you have to do is submit your first name and your email. That way she can send you the link to download the presets. She also has an entire tutorial on her blog on how to download the presets. Out of the pack that I have linked in the down bar below, the one that I use is number 3. It just gives a really like clean, bright, saturated, warm look to your photos. It works on food pictures, it works on selfies, it works on group pictures, on sunset pictures, landscape pictures. It literally just looks so cute. Now I'm going to walk you guys through editing some of my own pictures and how I fix the saturation, brightness, add the preset, all of that good stuff. Every picture is different, so there will be little adjustments that you have to make with like lighting, contrast, saturation, even after you add the preset. So I'll walk you guys through that right now. Now I'm going to show you guys a bunch of before and afters with my pictures. I'll show you guys my pictures before the preset and after the preset. I wanted to give you guys a good idea of what this specific preset looks like with a bunch of different kinds of pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, then make sure you give this a giant thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more of my videos. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!